So we're walking through Ore Park, showing you the artwork and stuff, and this trailer catches our eye. This is Big John, handmade wood gifts. You personalize them on site?
Takes 5 minutes.
You do it freehand?
Freehand, everything's done freehand in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And it's a lot easier. For 25 years, I drawed it out and carved it. I was up at the Long's yard sale, and a 96-year-old man walked up to me, and we talked. You know, he was saying that I was pretty good, and as he walked off, he says, "Young man," says, "you good, but you're not as good as I was." And he walked off, and that got my interest.
Yeah.
So I walked to the car, because it took him a long time to get to his car. And I said, "Sir, give me some constructive criticism. What did you mean by that?" He said, "Son, I've worked at Dollywood, I worked at Twitty City, I've worked at all of them." He says, "And if you ever want to get a job up there, you got to be able to grab that route and just carve it." Yeah. At that point in my life, I had no idea that somebody could do that.
Yeah.
I came back in the next 5 minutes, and I never drawed another sign out.
Interesting.
It took 5 minutes.
I can tell you, as an amateur woodworker, freehanding with a router is impressive. Like that's tough to do, and you've been doing it for 25 years. Tuskegee is where you located?
Tuskegee. I'm right out, called the Little Texas community. I'm right outside of them.
So if you want some personalized woodworking, Big John's your guy. Anybody that can freehand with a router is impressive.
And I built all the Pat Dyke. I built all his furniture for his house, over 300 pieces of furniture. And I've worked for Jackie Bushman. I built the set that Jackie Bushman does Buckmasters in. And of course, Pat put me in with all the high-class people like call
big names for Alabama people. Yeah, those are big name people.
Yeah.
So let's go make a sign.
Okay.
Let's see. What do you like, Joe?
It all looks good.
Hey, Robert.
What about that one?
Hey, Robert.
That was pretty cool.
The gritty and the grits.
Gritty and the grits. Dude, yes.
Or that one. Which one? That one or that one?
Ooh. I like this one more.
Yep. This is the one we're talking about, right?
Yep.
We'll go with this one.
He's got the power on there.
Yeah. Looks a little more antique looking. I like it.
But woodworking is a passion of mine.
Yeah.
Now, I've got 6 of these trailers. My longest ones from the front of the truck to the back is 72 feet.
Okay.
And I pull it with a tractor. That's always my dream.
Yeah.
And I take it to county fair. Now, my others is shorter. I got this one here is like about 20 foot, and I've got a 10-foot one. I got a 14-foot one, and I've got a 2-story.
Oh, wow.
I got a 2-story, and the front of it is made out of an 18-wheeler sleeper.
Okay.
That's where I sleep at. I slid it in, and one day y'all have to come down to my house. I'm just right down, not far from you.
Yeah, not far at all.
Come down the house, and I'll let you film all of them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, what I do is called freehand carving.
Okay.
Is I take a paper, I take my information down. Okay, what you want on this, sir?
Okay, so the gritty and the grits. That's the name of our channel.
The gritty.
The gritty.
G-R-I-T-T-Y.
And the grits.
And the, what's that?
G-R-I-T-S.
G-R-I-T-S. Like grits.
The grits. The gritty and the grits.
I bet you could eat some grits.
Oh, absolutely.
Some cheesy grits.
Cheese grits, yeah.
What I do is, what makes it so hard when you freehand it, you know, you got to be able to start here and end up right here.
Right.
But I've just been able, and I've also carved completely blind. I can carve a whole sign because I was just playing one day, and what I do is I fill the 4 corners and I take the router. The gritty and the grits.
That's crazy.
That's 3 minutes right there. My guarantee, I do any sign in 5 minutes.
That is impressive.
Wow.
And what I'm gonna do is I take a little, I got WD-40 in here, and I give it just a little misting. Give it just a little misting. And then I got this black paint here that I take it and just make sure I get down in the letters real good. And it is a water-based preservative mixed with paint. Okay, we got this. I go over the thing a little bit, get it all down in there real good. Then I take me a paper towel.
What?
Goodness.
And then I spray it, give it a good spray. And you got it right here. Look at here.
That's awesome.
That is impressive.
I love to do signs. I'm gonna tell you. Down in Tolleson, my daddy had a crop farm of corn. And people that pick corn knows it's hot out in that field on an August day. It's hot.
Hot and itchy.
And my daddy, he came up to me and he said, son, said your teacher said you're not learning in school good, so you're gonna be picking corn the rest of your life. And I said, not if I can help it. And I left that day, and I believe I would have got good using a drill. But I happened and just stumbled on one of his routers, and I picked it up and started carving. The rest is history.
Wow.
You got to have motivation.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't wait for nobody to do nothing for me. I jump in there and do it myself. Now my big trailer, my big long one I got, Pat Dye helped me build that one. Is I built the frame, and back then I was sending my son to a private school, and I'm a poor old country boy. Going to Lee Scott Academy up there in Auburn, back then it was about $400 a month. I was riding around in a $200 little old truck trying to give him an education. And old Pat came and said he wanted me to build some furniture. And I had the trailer framed up with metal, and it was backed out in the wood. And Pat said, what's the deal with that trailer? And I told him, you know, that it's just a dream. I don't know if I'll ever get it. He walked to his truck, got a check, wrote me a $5,000 check, and he said, now every time I come to get a piece of furniture, I want to see you working on that, or you're going to have to pay me my $5,000 back. So as he come, and a year later, I had the trailer through with, I went to Lafayette to a rodeo. Guess who showed up? Him and his girlfriend showed up to do orders for him.
Wow. That's pretty neat.
But I was so poor growing up as a child. I used to have to go to KFC and lick folks' fingers.
Oh man, that is awesome. What do we owe you for this?
You don't owe me nothing.
You sure?
No, you don't owe me nothing. Y'all giving me some free publicity.
Big John, we appreciate it.
Appreciate you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. You got a business card?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, can you take that picture right there? You got a phone?
Oh, right here. Yeah. I got it. I'll do it. Oh, you got it?
Bro, this will go on YouTube,
Yeah.
but if you
so this is gonna go on YouTube.
Okay.
So.
All right.
Anyway, y'all, look, I'm a poor country boy.
Do you ever go to Santuck?
I'm the very first one that started Santuck.
Okay, it's been a long time since I've been there.
1974, there was 19 of us.
Yeah.
I was one of the 19. I've been there for 50 years.
Okay.
49 years. It's my 50th year. But Santuck is good, but it's been took over by box folk.
Yeah.
I mean, in other words, when people comes in there, they want to give me $10 for a $20 sign.
Yeah.
I mean, the mindset. You know,
It's changed.
and which I still go now. I mean, when I haven't got another show, like today, I'm not going to give this one up because I sold 75 bird houses.
Oh yeah.
Sold about 40 signs. So you know,
Yeah. Back in the '90s, Santuck was a lot different than it is now.
It used to be really, really good.
Yeah.
And I liked it, and I made it. It's done real good for me. I mean, I built me a house. and I've done stuff in my shop and everything.
Yeah.
And but I go to craft shows is where you make your steak.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sandtuck, you go by buying the sauce. I mean, you know, I mean, basically that's what you look at.
Yeah.
Saying
yeah.
why I've got 6 of these trailers is whatever size show the trailer needs. Like this one here, this maxes this one out.
Yeah.
And then my big one is county fairs, like 2 and 3 weeks county fair. So, in other words, I don't really need that many trailers, but I don't golf and I don't fish. So, in other words, if I want to build trailers, that's what
you build trailers. Well, Big John, we appreciate it.
Nice to meet y'all.